for some certain reasons, such as making a backup or switching to new iPhone. You need to transfer them to computer, right? So what is the best free way to transfer music from iPhone to computer? Let's get started. Top 1 free software to transfer music from iPhone to computer. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Free is a professional yet reliable freeware on the market, which empowers users to copy up to 14 types of files from iPhone to desktop computer within few clicks. Below are the details. Step 1. Launch Mobikin Assistant for iOS and connect iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Step 2. Preview and select music from the iPhone song list. Step 3. Start to copy music from iPhone to computer. How to transfer music from iPhone to computer free with iTunes. To sync music from iPhone 12, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max to computer, you can turn to an official tool called iTunes as well. This program is provided to help users sync or back up their iPhone, iPad, or iPod data easily. How to transfer music from iPhone to computer without iTunes. You can make use of cloud storage service or email to complete the transfer easily. Cloud. Sync iPhone files, for example, Dropbox, Google Play Music to computer. Email. Send songs via song to email. Download received folder to computer. Extra tip. How to put music on iPhone 12, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max from computer using iTunes. Open iTunes. Connect iPhone via USB. Click Device under Devices. Choose Music. Check Sync Music. Select Entire Library or Selected. Click Apply to sync iTunes music to iPhone.